Welcome to this course on Start Your Journey from Embedded to IoT.
In this lecture, we will going to discuss about the physical Arduino UNO board.
So this is the physical board which we have shown you in the PPT. So this is the physical board of the Arduino UNO. You can see here the name Arduino UNO is written here. Here you can find the digital pin. So at 0 you can find it is written as RX, that stands for the receiving, and you can see the arrow is towards the microcontroller, and TX at pin number 1 it is outward, that means we are transmitting it. Then you can find at the pin number 3 you can find a symbol like this tilde, that this is denoting the pulse width modulation pin. And then you can find here we have written the digital pin. Okay, you can see a digital, and in the bracket it is written PWM pin. I hope it is clear to you. Then you can find, if I go at the top, you can find at pin number 13 you can find the LED. This is the inbuilt LED which we have talked about, and you can also see that we have got L here. Even you can find here we have got the LED for the transmitting and receiving. So whenever we are transmitting the data and receiving data, these LED will going to glow. Next you can see here, if you come at the downside, you can find that there is a power pin. So the power pin, it is written like we have got a 3.3, we have got a 5 volt, then we have got ground, and then we have got V in. And then you can find here we have got the analog input pin, at where it is written A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. And this is the microcontroller chip. You can see this is the microcontroller chip which we have talked about. Okay, so you will going to upload whatever the program you will be using, you will be uploading on this chip. So this is the main, we can say, the heart of this whole board. Okay, whole Arduino UNO board. Okay, and this is the reset button. You can see a red color button. This is the reset button. If I just tilt it, you can see that this is what we have talked about. Okay, so connect the external power supply from here. Okay, like you are connecting it to your laptop. In a similar way you can connect the external power supply, and this you can see this is the port we are using to upload the program on this chip. This is the printer cable we will be using to connect this from the computer to this board. Now if I show you, this is the cable which I was talking about, well known printer cable. You can ask in the market that please give me a printer cable. So you can find this is the printer cable which is available in the market. So basically this is known as the USB AB cable. The technical term, as you are using the micro USB, you are using a type C cable. So we have got a USB AB cable. This is known as the AB cable. So this is the USB port we have got, and this is the cable which will going to connect to this Arduino UNO. So let me show you how it is being connected. So this will going to be connected like this, and if I just connect it to the board, so let me show it. After connecting to the board, you can see that a light, can you see a green color light? This show that your Arduino UNO board is been on, and here you can see an orange color light is coming. I hope it is visible to you. So this light will be the light which you will going to program. So you can program this light. So we will going to talk about this more detail about this board in the next lecture, where we will going to do the programming of it.